Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another episode here at Go Rails. First of all, I'd like to say happy 2024 to you. I know I'm a little late here by telling you that, as it is at the time of this recording, the second to last day of January, but I hope your year's starting off great regardless. So in this lesson, what we're going to do is we're going to revisit something that we covered in a previous video, which is the improving form with errors in Rails here. Okay, now this one was a PR that I ended up making to Rails itself to better handle when you end up passing nil unintentionally to the form with method. Okay, now if you need a refresher on that, you can go rewatch this video, or you can go look at the PR here, which is number 49,943. Now you'll notice that this PR was actually merged in, as indicated here. However, shortly after it was merged in, we got this comment here from John Hawthorne talking about how it sounds like a breaking change, and that in Rails, they try and guarantee a full version cycle before they actually remove the behavior that would cause or introduce the breaking change. So instead, as you can see here in the comment, he asked if we could change this from raising the argument error to just printing out a deprecation warning for Rails 7.2. And then after that version is released, then we can go ahead and put this behavior back of introducing the raising of the argument error. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to learn about how to use the deprecation warnings in Rails in order to resolve this issue here.